Hi guys, I'm Laurent from thunderlaser. We often get asked, this machine is a beast. How do I get it into my workshop? Well, the Titan is designed to be manageable. Today, I will walk you through the simple steps to partially disassemble it and get it through any doorway. It's easy, much easier than what you can think. Before we touch any single tool, a vital safety note. Inside this machine are high precision laser sources, an RF tube in all Titan and an additional fiber laser in the Pro model. They are sensitive, so our golden rules for today is handle it with care and avoid any knock or collision. Okay, with safety front of mind, let's gather what you will need. You probably have most of these already. Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, 5mm Allen wrench, 3mm Allen wrench, 2.5mm Allen wrench, M7 spanner and scissors. We start with the easiest step to reduce weight and avoid internal damages. Just lift out the honeycomb table and the blade bed. No tools required here. It's as simple as that. Now, let's tackle the doors, starting at the top. Use your Phillips and 2.5 Allen screw on these 5 screws. Crucially, before lifting the door away, disconnect this terminal block for the door sensors and cut the zip tie. Now, we can remove the 4 cover screws and the door is free. The lower door is next. Use your M7 spanner for the ground wire. Then unplug the 2 LED strips. Once you've cut the ties and unclipped this top hinge, the door will come right off. Up next is the indicator light. Always snap a quick picture of the wiring before you disconnect anything. It makes reassembly foolproof. Use a flathead to relieve these 4 wires and a 3mm Allen to remove the units, and the light is off. Finally, let's secure the main lid with zip tie so it doesn't swing open during the move. Alright, for the final disassembly step, we separate the body from the base. First, let's identify all the screw locations around the base. Now, start with the sides. Open each door, disconnect the LED plugs, and then remove the 2 or 3 screws on each side panel. Finally, move to the front and rear. Remove the 2 front screws and the 1 or 2 screws at the back, depending on your Titan model. Remember, Titan 27 series have fewer screws. With all these connections free, the body is ready to lift off. And there you have it, your Titan ready to glide through that doorway. Once it's in place, reassembly is just the reverse process. If you hit a snag, remember our support team is just a ticket away at support.thunderlaser.com. They are the best in the business. If this guide makes your life easier, paying us back is easy. Just subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.